Let me explain how to connect the light board and the flight control. Take out the light board. You can see that the corresponding jack has an LED, 5 volts, GND, BZ-. There are also corresponding solder joints on the flight controller, as you can see here, and BZ- here. First, plug the 4-pin cable into the port. Yellow for LED, red corresponds to 5 volts, and black to GND, green for BZ-. Pre-solder the soldering iron. Solder the pad. Yellow connects to the LED of the flight controller. Red connects to the 5 volts of the flight controller. Black connects to the ground of the flight controller. The green one is connected to the BZ- of the flight control. After welding, be careful to confirm that the wiring is correctly connected. Let's look at the side panel. One is longer and the other is shorter. The long one is plugged into the main light board. The short one is plugged into the side light board. Then we connect the ground station. Connect the USB interface to the aircraft. Then, we go to the ground station. Select the configuration page. Scroll down to find LED strip and turn this option on. Generally, this option is turned on by default. Then go to the LED strip page. This is our wiring area. Adjust the LED light to power the aircraft. Be sure to remove the propellers before powering on, because we have already laid the wires and selected the color, so it will light up when powered on. Let's clear all the wiring to demonstrate. We can wire in this area. We select the wiring mode. In the wiring mode, selecting a grid is one wiring. After selecting the grid, release the mouse. We can set a total of 32 slots for effective wiring. Even if you select more, only 32 slots will remain in the end. After selecting, click the wiring mode. Exit the wiring. When setting the light color, first, select a grid. Then select the light color we need. After selecting, click Save in the lower right corner. In addition, you can also select a single area or one light for setup. After setting it once, and save it to take effect. The basic functions are also available here. To select different modes, select the light beads. We choose a rainbow mode. Save. The light will turn into a dazzling mode. It's very cool. Finally, how to set our light switch. Enter the mode menu. Scroll down to find LED light. Add a remote control range and toggle a button that is not set on the remote control. Setting completed. Adjust our yellow area. When the amount of the wave rod is in our yellow area, the LED is in the off state. Otherwise, it will light up. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.